So these are the 5 most famous creators in 2025, and these guys literally growing instantly so insane in 2025 I'm talking about. Okay, so without time wasting, I am starting the video. Okay, so first if I talk about, I'm gonna talk about number 5, Kai Cenat. Kai Cenat definitely has a 5M subscriber. Okay, 5M means 5 millions. Okay, so definitely he's a primary Twitch streamer. Okay, but he also creates videos on YouTube. Okay, he does pranks, he does gaming. He's like a speed. Okay, I saw speed. He's a type of that guy. Okay, he definitely famous in a Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, every other major platform. Okay, and because of this in 2025 he becomes so famous. Okay, and just as Speed, he also become a meme type of guy. Okay, but yes, Speed is more meme guy, but yeah, this guy also literally surpassing every single YouTuber. Okay, in 2025, and definitely in future he's going to become more famous. Okay, I mean he's already famous, but in 2025 he's going to become more famous. If I talk about number 4, so number 4 is PewDiePie. I mean, this is big screen. I mean, PewDiePie is legendary YouTuber. I mean, he's the only YouTuber. Okay, so PewDiePie definitely has a 111M subscriber. Okay, 111M subscriber. Okay, and definitely because of this, he becomes number 1 individual YouTube with subscriber. Okay, and as I told you, okay, he's the only YouTuber. He's a legendary YouTuber, but even that, in 2025 his skin becomes so much famous. Okay, his skin of famous. I mean he's a famous. He's not decreasing his popularity. Somehow his fans is good. Okay, the PewDiePie fans literally knows how to literally maintain the popularity of PewDiePie. Okay, so definitely if I talk about overall PewDiePie fame is, I mean if I say honestly, PewDiePie fame decreased a little, but not too much. Okay, but still today in 2025, PewDiePie still has so many fans. Okay, and definitely he becomes. I mean, if I talk about mainstream, PewDiePie is not mainstream right now. I mean, yes, definitely it's a harsh reality, but this is true. But yes, still he is so much famous. Okay, so this is the number 4. Now I'm gonna talk about number 3. Okay, so in the number 3, if I talk about. So in the number 3, I'm going to talk about KSI. Okay, so definitely in fame and popularity, KSI definitely surpassing many YouTubers in 2025. And he's also a legendary YouTuber like PewDiePie. Okay, but yes, KSI overall has a 40M subscriber. I mean KSI has 2 channels. Okay, I'm combining this. Okay, so if you combine that both channels, KSI has a 40M subscriber. Okay, overall. Okay, and he's still growing, so definitely. But yes, overall if I talk about his reach, he's so much famous and he's a legendary creator, and even get to in 2025 KSI skin is a big name. Okay, and if you compare with PewDiePie, KSI is still more major in a mainstream scene. Okay, comparison to PewDiePie. So this is so unique thing. Okay, that's why I compare. I mean, it's just not about subscriber. Okay, I'm talking everything, just fame. So definitely in terms of fame, everything, KSI surpassed the PewDiePie. Okay, I mean I'm not saying PewDiePie is not famous, but in 2025 recent, KSI is more famous. Okay, I mean this is the reality. Okay, and this is the fact. We all have to literally accept that. Okay, but yes, definitely in number 3, definitely deserve KSI. Now if I talk about number 4, okay, so if I talk about number 4, so in the number 4 is definitely Mr. Beast. I mean I don't have to say anything. Okay, in overall Mr. Beast has a 370M subscriber. Okay, I mean this is insane. I mean he's a number 1 on YouTube right now. After Mr. Beast, this series is second definitely. But if I talk about not any major platform, Mr. Beast definitely has number 1 title. I mean he's a number 1. Okay, so yes, and definitely he becomes more famous in after the beef with K series. Okay, and definitely the Mr. Beast content is definitely watchable, high binge watching type of content Mr. Beast is creating, and because of the content he makes, I mean Mr. Beast content is definitely unique, and because of this many people following Mr. Beast in 2025, and 2025 definitely Mr. Beast growing so fast. I mean in terms of everything, okay, in terms of subscriber, fame, money, reach, everything, okay. So definitely number 2 deserve definitely Mr. Beast. I mean, who is number 1? Now I'm gonna talk about. Okay, so as I told you, it's not just about subscriber. I'm gonna compare everything, okay. If I compare everything in 2025, number 1 is ISoSpeed. I mean, I every time make a content on Speak, so definitely I'm not a fan of Speak, but this is the fact, okay. In 2025, ISoSpeed is gaining more fame comparison to Mr. Beast, KSI, PewDiePie, Kaisen, and every other major YouTube creator. I mean, I'm honest, okay, this is the fact, okay. I mean, if I talk about just a subscriber, ISoSpeed has a 36.5 or 6M subscriber, okay. But even that, he's more famous comparison to any other major YouTuber in 2025, okay. And the way he's increasing his fame in 2025, I mean, it's more than Mr. Beast. I mean, Mr. Beast is growing insane fast, but Speed is growing more fast comparison to Mr. Beast. ISoSpeed growing more fast comparison to Mr. Beast. I mean, be honest, not just about subscriber. I mean, if you just talk about subscriber, Mr. Beast is number 1, but I'm talking about in 2025 who is becoming more fame and who is becoming more mainstream and which YouTuber gaining more subscriber, fame, reach, and everything in terms of overall I'm talking about. So definitely ISoSpeed becoming so much famous in 2025. I mean, he's gaining too much popularity, okay, and gaining the Speed is literally still growing so fast, and definitely in some time Speed going to surpass every major creator. I mean, he's going to definitely grow 50M subscriber in just some years, 1 years under. Definitely he's going to become the YouTuber which has 50M subscriber. Okay, so this is guys Kex. As I told you, the number 1 definitely. I'm talking about not just subscriber, everything. ISoSpeed is number 1 in terms of growing and creating fan base more, okay. So this is the exact fact. I hope you like that video. If you like that, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Tata, bye bye. And if you have anything, you can comment. I'm gonna reply. And yes, if you have any opinion, if you have any video idea, you can tell me. I'm gonna make a video on that, okay. So yes, bye bye.